In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gmail default email client. If you've ever clicked an email link on a website and had it open the wrong app, this will fix that. We're going to set things up so that when you click a Mail To link, it opens a new message in Gmail right in your browser. This works best on a computer using Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome. We're going into a quick settings page for how your browser handles special link types. In the address bar at the top, type Chrome, Settings, Handlers, and press Enter. This page controls whether websites are allowed to ask Chrome for permission to handle certain actions, like opening email links. On that page, make sure the option that says Sites can ask to handle protocols is turned on. If this is off, Gmail won't be able to request permission to open email links for you. Think of this as giving Chrome the green light to let trusted sites like Gmail register themselves as the place to handle Mail To links. Next, open Gmail in a new tab and sign in to your account. You can use any Gmail account you prefer to send mail from. Once Gmail loads, look to the right side of the address bar at the top of the browser. You should see a small double diamond icon appear. That icon is Chrome's way of saying, "This site wants to handle email links." Click that icon. When the prompt appears, choose Allow, then select Done. That's it. You've just told Chrome to open Gmail whenever you click an email link on a website. From now on, when you click a Mail To link, like an address that says Email Us, Chrome will pop open Gmail in a Compose window with the To field already filled out for you. It's a huge time saver and keeps everything inside your browser. If you don't see the double diamond icon, there are two quick things to check. Make sure you're signed in to Gmail in that tab, and verify that the Sites can ask to handle protocols setting from earlier is enabled. If either of those isn't in place, Chrome won't show the prompt. A couple of quick notes for clarity. This change is specific to Chrome and to the profile you're currently using. Other browsers have their own methods, and links you click from outside of a browser, like from a desktop app, may still follow your computer's system defaults. But inside Chrome, web email links will now open in Gmail automatically. And that's all you need to make Gmail your default email client in Chrome.